In life, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish, you have to kind of go after those opportunities, wherever they may be. California Community College, CRC to be exact, is a great place. We are made on opportunities. Someone gave me an opportunity. When I played here 20-something years ago, and things took off from there. But that's where kind of it started for me. Because if they never gave me an opportunity, who knows where I would have, ended up in terms of as a player, and now I'm coaching here. But it's the opportunity. So when you say why CRC, why not?
I'm Isaiah Griffin. I'm a point guard at Cosumnes River College. I grew up in Sacramento, California, South Sacramento. I started playing for a team at Salvation Army downtown at 4 years old. My dad was the only reason why I played basketball. He inspired me, and he kept me motivated. I just wanted to be him, fulfill his shoes. Don't know if I did that, but that was my goal.
Carlos Zepeda, point guard. I think CRC was definitely top priority on my list just because of how much they showed interest in me. They showed what they could vision me adding to the team and having a role in the team right away.
Brandon Scott, point guard. For me, my development was a bunch of street ball, literally going to the parks, the older guys just whooping up on me because they're physically stronger than me, faster than me. That's pretty much how I molded my game, just playing pickup every day at the YMCA.
You can't be successful by yourself. You're gonna need someone along the way, and you have to be ready, and we have to support you in that moment when it's your time. And that's what a brotherhood is all about.
It means a lot to this team because without the Brotherhood, we wouldn't have been Big 8 champs. We wouldn't even have made second round playoffs. We all stuck together and glued in and bought into each other, and we all believed in each other. So everybody just loved each other. It was just a bond instantly.
I think we try to help out each other as much as we can. If someone's struggling or someone needs something, even if it's just something simple as a ride. You need a ride home, we take someone home. Stuff like that. I think here, even in just our locker room, it's somewhere safe that we can go to and we can just hang out, be ourselves, and not have to worry about anything else or where somewhere safe is to be.
This is definitely probably the most funniest group of guys I've been around. They just make a game out of anything. We play a game, where we gotta rub our heads when we sit down. I love these guys to death, man. They really brought out a side of me that I didn't expect.
We're brotherhood, we're family, and once you're part of Cosumnes River College men's basketball and the college in general, you're locked in for life. Cosumnes River College is doing everything that they can on the academic side to provide access and opportunities for all students. It's kind of my job to look at the athletic side. That's a piece where it's sometimes forgotten, especially at the community college level. You have the Division I's and Division II's, and they have these NIL deals. We don't have that. We see kids move around every day because this school can offer more money. The only thing we can offer at the community college level is an opportunity and a hope and a dream. Is there things that we could do better? Yes. But we have a group of people in all sports that are here because they love this game. And so how can we kind of leverage that and provide more opportunities and more experiences? They're from the community. They're taking back those accomplishments, those experiences. They're taking them back to the community, and they're empowering their friends, their family, the younger people in the community, and they're telling them, you can do something very special. There's an opportunity for you to go to college. It's literally right there down the street at Cosumnes River College.
Our purpose was just to come together and become better players along as better men. And we knew if we can come together and we can be successful playing, we'll have more opportunity to be looked at to hopefully take the next step in our career.
And all my guys know that brotherhood means something, and you can call me 5, 10 years from now. I'm gonna do whatever I can to help or celebrate you.